You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's hear the American English pronunciation of this word. Many get confused by it. Lower, law, were. Now, the British English is as lower, but in American English, US pronunciation, how to pronounce. Listen carefully, the correct pronunciation. United States, lower, lower. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.